Actually, let's do while true. So, while true, we're gonna print out our. Okay, so printf. This player get health like that. Health. Actually, we're gonna do health like this. Get max health like that. Alright, cool. So we run this and should work fine. Don't want to debug though. Yeah, okay. So we have a basic class here. Now let's actually open it up. Take this. Work on our own, and we'll open it up here. Let's not cover the PDB because I don't want to hold our hand while I go through this. So where's your start thread here? Go and open that up. Call here. Next call here. Should sus our main method here. I took a wrong step, I think. Whoops. Alright. Take the easy way out. Yeah, here we go. Here we're actually setting up our constructor, so it's a player one, call get to it's inline. Actually, yeah, it hasn't lined it though. Float. No, that's fine. Yeah. So health printf right here. Yeah, printf. We'll see call. What is it doing to pass this though? Yeah, so it's calling VO equals this, initializing 10 bytes for the actual size of the class here. See the malloc? Yeah. This is past the size malloc. Setting that to 100, but we don't want any of this to be inline, so we're just gonna make a bunch of players. So we're just gonna create a bunch of random characters. So it should sell. Okay, we're just gonna make the name a random character, I guess. So jar name is going to be cast this to a character. Do rand between. Yeah, we'll just do like 200 plus 1, yeah. That should be fine. That will give us basically just a random character, I think. Should do at least fuck. Alright. Yeah, I'll give us a random character we can pass as the name. And health, we'll make that random by 02, so float health equals. And we'll go ahead and create. Actually, hold on. I actually want to return a list of players here, so we're going to include vector over here. There we go. We're going to place back new player. Guess count character. Name, health, like that. Okay, so auto players equals create random players. I'm gonna create 10. We're gonna put this right here, and then we're going to do for auto player players. We're gonna iterate through all of them, and then we're just gonna dump their info. I'm just gonna make a function down here called void dump vars. So it's just gonna provide this. So printf. What are we gonna do? ID, name, health. Gonna pass this to ID. This name, this health, and this max health, like that. That'll be fine for dump variables. There we go. So we're gonna do player dump vars, like that. We'll see how that goes. Access violation at 2A. Okay, so it's not actually initializing something for one of the classes, but which one is it not initializing? I'm guessing it's getting fucked on the name. Yeah, I bet it's getting fucked on the name. Yeah, that's definitely what's happening. So name is going to be, so hold on. SC string name equals player, and then name plus equals, and then we can just do pass a character to this, which is going to be our random character. So character rand, and then let's do like, let's do 100 plus 1. Fuck, it's 30. There we go. Name. And we actually have to cast it anymore. We can just use the string method cstr to convert to a C string. Like that. There we go. So yeah, we're getting a fuck name, but that doesn't really matter, honestly. Or it's not a big deal, at least. And then yeah, we have our IDs, which is just the current account at the moment it was generated. So let's go ahead and open this back up again. Not gonna save the database. Nope. Here we go. Oh yeah. Go to our text view real quick. View of table. We'll open back up our string view real quick. Alright, cool. So here we see jump down 0, jump back up. So comparing ESI to EDI. What is EDI? ESI add 4. Okay, here's our loop here. So while V4 doesn't equal V3 and V3 is whatever the fuck this is, memory. It's basically just going forever. That's what it's doing here. I wish, maybe I can just turn off optimization since I don't want it to, optimize it so far here. Actually, hold on, maybe I can just set it to equals get max health. There we go. And then let's go and turn off all optimizations here anyways. Optimization, disabled. No. Yeah. No code generation. Nope. That should help a little bit. It's just so we can get actual generation here and be able to see what's going on inside the code itself. So let's see. There you go. Yeah, now it's actually doing shit here. So v3 equals this. Return this. What is v4? Alright, here's our actual player thing here. So we can go ahead and rename this here to create random players. Let's go ahead and rename this. So this is going to be num. And this is basically the return address. Yeah. Okay, so returning into ret here, and this is pushing back. So creating the name, adding this to it. This is creating a new player. And what are we doing next? So now we're actually dumping the bytes, which you'll see once I open this up and go back. Yeah, here it is. We'll convert this to a regular pointer type, and we see here we have max health OXC, health 8, and the name at OX4, and then the ID at 0, of course. And this just prints F. This will never be reached, as basically just exiting the program though. I should at least, right? So I'm passing the health right here, name, and yeah, this is basically the basic structure of program memory. We see OXC being passed as the max size the actual player will be, because our max offset is going to be at there you go, OXC, so 10 bytes in. Yeah. OXC, where did I see that? Yeah, right here. So 10. And then, yeah, adds an extra 1 byte because of the table. Okay, cool. Ugh, fuck. Alright. Now, where can I apply this? Let me see what games I have on my computer right now, where I can actually apply it. I don't want to do Cube World because that game's such a pain in the ass. Not in the sense that's like hard to hack, it's just fucking annoying to run because it uses like 10 fucking gigabytes of your computer to open up. Epic Games. Slime Rancher. I don't want to do Slime Rancher because it's Unity. What else do I have? I think I deleted most of my games long. Maybe I have Age of Empires somewhere. I hope I do. You know, there's something about cold coffee that actually isn't that bad. I'll be honest. Where the fuck is it? It's in my old drive, maybe? What the hell is Krita? Mr. President, what the hell is this? Oh, I know what that is, never mind. War for the Overworld? Oh, wait. Oh, that's, yeah. It's Unity too. I mean, I can do a Unity game, I guess. I just don't want to do, mono development on it, honestly. I don't want to do an ancient game either because that's definitely just gonna fuck the stream, and I don't want the stream to be fucked instantly. Rockstar Games. What do I have in here? Social club. Never mind. Well. Oh, here we go. Check this out. Fucking Age of Empires. Hell yeah. Okay. Cool. So. Yeah, let's use default. So, I really hope this doesn't fuck my stream. I'm gonna find out in just a second. What? Hello? Oh shit, is this game busted? Ah shit. What is this? Fuck. Do any of these work? Fuck. I don't think so. Yeah, shit. Damn it. Okay, I don't think I can actually run this fucking game because I'm missing a file or something. Yeah. Oh shit, do I still have that game? Okay, skip that song.
Must one person's triumph be another's humiliation? Of course.
What fucking games do I have still? Hello? Oh, no, never mind. Okay, cool. So I'm not doing that game. So what I'm going to do instead is if I can just do Slime Rancher, I guess. I mean, no, I actually don't want to do that because that's not what I'm trying to teach here. Fuck. Do I have anything in here? No. Shit. What fucking games do I have on Steam? Alright. Maple Story 2, no, I'm gonna get fucking banned on Twitch if I do that one. Fuck. Do I own, oh yeah, this game still fucking works. Metro's such a good fucking game, holy shit. Okay, yeah, I'll do Metro, because I like that game. Metro's fun. If I still have all of it. So I guess my old save was corrupted or something. I'm betting that was it at least. But I can't remember anything about this game. Oh shit, did I remove my HUD by selecting Ranger Difficult? Oh, I'm so fucked. If I can't... Oh, you've got to be kidding me, dude. Okay, fuck this shit. I'm going back to easy. Lol. Okay, there we go. Where's my damn ammo? Here we go. I guess is that how many bullets I have in my gun currently? What the fuck? There has to be, yeah. Okay, cool. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to... Let's go and start. Fuck it, dude. So why was I scrolling in chat? Open up cheat engine. Uh-huh. Alright, we have two values now, so two values. Set 3, and we have these two values still. They're relatively close to each other, so we're just gonna touch debug or find what accesses it. That plus E4. Let's go and just set this one, see if it changes. Find out which one is actually the value, real quick. So this 2, 6. No, that's not the right one. So it's gotta be this one then. So that's 6. Yeah, there we go. So here's the actual value that we want. I don't think I have any other tabs open. There we go. Yeah, okay, this is what we want. So here it is, comparing it to 0 to make sure we can actually fire. I'm guessing... okay. I have a feeling... If it's not comparing a... Yeah, it's not comparing an actual byte though. I have a feeling this is going to be like checking for infinite ammo or something right here. As well as checking if it's a 0 or not. Because compare isn't always comparing an integer value, you know? It could be comparing really anything. So let's go and open this up. So I'm going to go ahead and look at this first value right here and see what it's setting. These are all going to be in the same class anyways. So open up this. Here's our vtable right here. We don't know what those functions are just yet, so let's go to 160 here. And yep, okay, here's 4. 4 is our current ammo value though. So what are these other values? So 4FC, let's check this out. So 4FC, where's that? 4FC is a pointer. This is our current weapon in hand, it looks like. Yeah. So here's pointer. So this right here, making sure the pointer is valid. Comparing it to EBX, add -1 to this. Weapon generic shows. This might just be. Let's see. Maybe not. That's interesting. What am I listening to? Next. Let me change my playlist real quick. That'll work, yeah. So it's comparing as an integer for some reason. These two are floating point values. All I'm guessing is that these are all part of the weapon class. So we're gonna go and make let's call this weapon. We have what 1F160. We have our actual ammo value. It doesn't look like there's any sort of max ammo value around here. So this to max ammo, or no, just ammo. And we're gonna set this to, see if we can overload the value, set 10. Yeah, we can overload the maximum value just fine, so we can set to whatever we want. Let's check out what else is in this class. I'm just having a quick look through here, but we're also going to open up the V table here and see what functions, or see if it has any basic functions too. Fuck off, man. Hey, by the way, I'm, you know, one follower away from 69. Thank you.
Glad to see you, Colonel.
Okay,
Did you hear that? Listen.
the unfortunate thing is I don't know how we're going to figure out exactly. Well, yeah, I guess we can just keep fucking shooting and testing. I think even going to a cutscene like this will fuck our gun values. I'll check as soon as cutscene's over. Yeah, looks like it did. Damn it. Actually, no, it's still. Maybe just raped the ammo. Huh. I'm guessing that's all the model stuff down there. Looks like all the stuff around here is what we actually want to modify and fuck with. I don't know about all that though. But let's go ahead and go through some more of these. Let's see, ECX is ESI at this point, so ESI 260, and then we're acting EAX plus BO, so 260, then BO. We saw BO before as well, so 260 is null pointer. Yeah, go. So we see values like this. Okay, let's fuck with them. Oh, right, okay, so that might not have been a no pointer. It's always good to fuck with random values, you see. Especially on single player games, that's how you learn what shit does. You just need to experiment and, you know, test around. So we're gonna see what modifying all this does. And we're gonna set our ammo back to 100. And we'll see. I mean, they're still literally disappearing when I shoot them. Oh, fuck. Yo. The game's actually kind of lagging because of how hard they're fucking dying. Oh, what the fuck? Did I just die? I don't know, it's scripted. Damn it. Alright, cool. Do we automate this now, I guess? We're gonna need to find a way to find an electrical layer. So let's go ahead and open this up in IDA now. I think I already have a dump of it, but I don't think. Yeah, we don't need the dumped version. We're gonna use the normal version because the strings will probably still be intact if we just use the actual version. Yes, I don't think it's fucking packed at all. So it should be fine. Never mind, it is completely fucking packed. What the hell? What the fuck are they doing in this game? I think it's just a it might just be IDA fucking it up though, which I'm betting is what it is actually. Is 8 p.m. submit event. Yeah, it's kind of weird, but it is Russian developer or Ukrainian developers, I think, right? With this game, there's an int3 at the top here. That's interesting. Yeah, that's weird. Okay, I see why I made a dump of this before. I was opening up my dump. What happened in my fucking chat box? Okay, where the fuck was I? Right. Should we just scan for these? What's our base address on here? 40,000, and we're at 40,000 on here too, I think. Image base. Yeah, we are. Cool, so we can just open any of these up here. So that's gonna be the Maluk. What is this? AI move part 2. Hello? Crash stand called. Some of these functions are fucking whack. That's fine though. I don't have fucking anything. So, why is the color so fucked right here? What? Is that just? Oh, that's just the light. Okay.
Station can't survive much longer.
Alright, can I still, I think the memory is, yeah, all the memory here is still nice. All the memory here is still live, but, if we go to 61C, right up here, what do we see here? Yeah, I don't know why it's thinking it's gonna be a pointer, but it's just a floating point value there. Same with all this up here. That's all accessing it. This is a really big vtable, which is kind of surprising to me. Add 72 ECX, reference of it. Cool. 5C into ECX. 0. Okay, let's see 5C. Where is that? All the way to the top here. 5C, that's actually a pointer. So 5C plus what? EAX, so B4. Wait, what? Am I actually sure this is a pointer? This does not look like a valid memory address at all. No, it's not. Yeah, it's fucked. Okay. It's pointing 5. I'm guessing all these are actually the same address actually. ECX. So ESI plus 4. Hi, what are you hacking? This is Metro 2033 right now. I'm just trying to show some stuff about it. And how you can modify memory in live games. So ESI plus 4, ECX, so accessing this vtable. No, it's not vtable here. Okay. So following this through, we see it opens this up, goes into EAX. EAX plus CO is here. And CO is right here. Huh. So, no, it's thinking it's a vtable right here. Which is the VOD save after? The VOD's saved for a little bit of time, yeah. I think I can make it so it like stays permanently, and I might start uploading the actual VODs to my YouTube channel. I'm not sure yet though. I don't know how many people would actually watch them. So, it thinks this is a vtable here, but there's obviously no vtable here. Yeah, 6 with that. This one, yeah, 4192. That just is not a vtable. There's no function here at all. Yeah. That's definitely the issue that's happening. Okay. It's doing the same thing, and these ones up here. So I think what we're gonna have to do is actually find one of these functions that's called right here, and then follow it in the assembly here. So we'll go here and we'll go here, and this is our data still. Is this the same vtable? No, it's not the same. Failed to make immortal. Hey, what is this? If v2 2 equals this. Oh, okay. I guess this is called. This has to be a local player, right? Yeah. Can I set collision group shell? This has to be local player. So we know it's called. Where is this called? 9AA. Yeah. So we know this is called every time you shoot, but we don't know where it's called from exactly. So let's go into their vtable here. Where I scroll to the top here. Spawn. Golden ammo. Okay. So this is U8 pointer. What is this passing? This no. Okay. Before A2 and A2 is passed. Return 0. What is this? Golden loot. Bool. Yeah. There's some sort of scripting for this. I can't really tell what it is though. What I do want to do though is find our local player. That's, or we can just breakpoint any of these functions, I'm guessing, and it'll most likely lead us to our local player if we just breakpoint like one of these in game, maybe. Maybe not though. Where the fuck do I go? Go in here. Oh, we gotta wait for this asshole. Shit, man. I probably should have stayed in the main entrance sequence. That might have been better. Well, actually, I wonder, since this, where were we before? We'll go back here. Where were we? Right here. Right. So we see this. Actually, this is gonna be better. So we go here. We open this up. We'll go here and we see it calls EDI, so it goes into EDI. EDI ECX. So yeah, this is the gun vtable? No, it can't be. Right? Right? Ah shit. Subtract, what is this, 39C? Subtract 39C from this, so calculator. Where does this take us? No. Whoops. Plus 39C. That is not what we want. Okay. Let's go back and check this one out again. Since I'm thinking this will lead us to our actual player and how it's accessed. EDI, and EDI is most likely storing ECX, yeah, ECX again. Update fire weapon dependencies interval. What is it called? Is it the same vtable? Yeah, it is, so it's gotta be the gun, right? What the hell? Oh, that's just all returning 0 functions, right? Yeah, okay. Let me just rename this. ECX plus 1 EC. Let's check that out. Nothing there. Huh. That's fucking weird as hell though. Jam, temperature. There are a lot of strings in this game, but not many of them are actually useful. We see a lot of vector math right here, which ECX, what is ECX? ADVP plus R0. ECX ESI plus 330. Let's check that out. Okay, what is ECX here? So is this the actual player right here, plus 9? Yeah, it's hard to tell. This looks kind of like bone information right here, though. And these are all the exact same pointer, I just realized, so... no, it's some fuck shit, I'm guessing. Alright.
What the hell? Who could that be?
It's Hunter.
Mutants don't knock first. Open the damn gate.
This fucking unit.
Welcome to exhibition, Hunter.
Alright, let's go back here. And I want to look here for bool. We're gonna see a bunch referencing this, yeah. This is all part of their scripting language, I think. Trigger on where. So let's look for int, maybe? Int 8. No, we have u8, so unsigned 8. So bool, let's try int. Just int, maybe. Where we go? Def int, interstate, sprint coefficient, sprint coefficient, allow sprint, this is gonna be a bool. Okay. Useful for player, ammo for player. Go here, bool, useful player, active, item placed. Where are all these values passed though? Plus 6, 8, okay. It's gotta be these. No, 24, 24, 16. Yeah, it's gonna be these, so. Yeah, it's gotta be those. That's gonna be our actual, addresses. No. 2D offset. Health, stamina. Oh yeah, I like to look at that. So floating point 32, obviously. Equals this. Set pointer type 484. V4 equals this. So as long as we actually. Is physics? Yeah, true, dude. So whatever this is, which is going to be, what is passed as this pointer? ECX. ECX still exists right there, so. Yeah, V9. This probably, yeah, this is this again. This looks like some sort of initializer right here, too. EDI is going to be what? ECX, yeah. So ECX goes into that, and then what do we have here? We have the exact same table as before. So what do we get from this? It might be worth just breakpointing shit, trying to find out when it'll actually save.
Now closer, kid. It's been a long time, Hunter.
Good to see you, Alex.
Oh yeah.
Hello, Artyom.
So, Hunter, what's happening in the outside world these days?
Not much. Most of what I hear is about the exhibition. And they are dead.
God, I wish I could fucking skip this shit.
Artyom, I met a trader selling old postcards of New York City. I thought of your wall.
Hell yeah.
Not the usual mutant creatures. This is something else. Something worse.
Dark ones. Well, whatever in hell they are, my order is motto. If it's hostile, you kill it.
Intruder alarm in main vent shaft. They're coming in from above.
Oh hell yeah.
Kirill, take your group to the tunnels. Hunter,
Alex, we must stay here and defend the hall.
all right, our team, quickly get away.
Oh, wait, did my game crash? You're fucking me, right? Wait. Oh, shit. There we go, okay, yeah. It fucking actually breakpointed, holy shit. Breakpoint right here, so... Let's see, is it gonna breakpoint again? Yeah, it is, cool. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and copy ECX. We don't need to keep the game breakpointed though. So ECX is that the same? One? No, it's not. Okay, cool. So let's go here, and this should be what we're looking for. I think I can't. Hold on. Let me go to this address here. I think this is in our V table that we want to access. Is it not? No, it is. Okay, cool. So let's go back to our strings here. Allows. Where was it? I swear we had something actually good up here. Ammo for player. Yeah, here we go. There was something here. Or fuck it, let's go FP32. Tolerance. Okay. We have stamina here and health right there, so equals this, so it's gonna be V4 plus 1E4 is going to be theoretically this should be something. Yeah, okay, what is this? This is stamina or collision? But there should be like more shit all after it too. I'm going to go ahead and move this over here just to watch it as it goes. Can I get it again, please? He gave me a fucking pistol, are you kidding me? Lol. Collision exists is meant to be a Boolean value at 1 FB. Let's see. We have 8, 9, A, B. So set to 1. Set that to 1. We'll go and set these to 1 as well. See what happens in the game. Okay. Yeah, nothing really happened. Unlucky, I guess. Let's see. What else do we have? I feel like there's something else here as well that I'm kind of missing. A2 plus 16, V4 equals V6, V5 is V3. What is V2? V2 is going to be what? A2, that doesn't help at all. Yeah, that is not very helpful at all. Spawn, trying to place animation, failed to make immortal, final find collision group. Yeah. And that is this plus OXCC, so let's check this out. So this OXCC is a pointer here, so and that doesn't look like there's anything here. Ah shit. Do not want to fuck that up. Failed to make immortal 0 plus OX10, so it's accessing a character pointer at this CC plus OX10, which is going to be the attack medkit. Okay, cool. Failed to make immortal. Okay. Cool. And look for any other strings that may be helping us here. Let's see, ESI plus... Where is that the vector math that we saw just before? I think it was up here near the top. Yeah, EDX, so that's just a vtable access. Here's something, so ECX to EAX, calling a pointer there. Okay. ECX BO. It's kind of like the weapon class actually, hold on. I wonder if this is the weapon class. No it's not, damn it. I want to find out how it's actually connected, the weapon class, to the player, and this is shift. That's weird. ECX plus AO is this. Okay. And then EAX is ECX plus, okay. No need for that. ESP. Well, it takes one argument though. Okay. ECX plus 90 is what? That. See how many of these actually do change though when we move around in game. Okay, cool. So this is our position right here, looks like, at least. So let's do vector 3, we'll call this origin. And let's try to just set this to like 5. Fuck. Did I actually change positions at all? I don't think so. So what I'm gonna do is take this plus 4 and set this to floating point. Have that, and we're going to make it so it should stay frozen. Didn't actually do anything though. So I don't think we really can't fucking modify that, which is kind of a shame. Unless, let's find out what accesses, or find out what actually writes to it, and then we're going to nullify that, or just completely fuck it, I guess. So show assembler. This function here writes to it. Let's see, is ECX 2020 ECX. So it writes the entire pointer and then it does that shit. So fuck it. Let's see if we can crash the game. Well, that's weird. What is 90 to? I feel like all these somewhat right to it though. Let's fucking just zero out all these, see what happens in the game. Looks like nothing specifically that shit happens. What a shame. Uh-huh.
Why your girl still obsessing? You suck at first base and I'm out here stealing second. Check the method. What I'm on the mic, it ain't pleasant. You say that shit again and I'ma hunt you like a pheasant. She gon' sit wide open and I tell her bring it back like it.
Basically fucking touched everything in this game. We can look at the weapon class again. We've already actually opened up where it's access, so can we go? Yeah, let's go here. So we're gonna debug this, put this over here, open the game, it should freeze like that, yep. Now let's copy ECX, go here, continue the game, and we're gonna set that to that. I think I misaligned something though. Oh wait, it's EDI, right. Yeah, it's not ECX, I actually did ECX. Whereas we want ECI instead. So EDI is 1599D1C, I think. Yeah, here we go. Set all these to 100 to find out what happens. And we go back into the game. And yeah, like you see, everything instantly deletes them. Yeah, what? I got an achievement for that too? On the level hunter, kill all the... Oh. Fuck. Shit, man. Fuck, man. Oh, the game fucking crashed. Damn it. Probably shouldn't have messed with some of those values. Shit. Where was I? See, okay. Is there any game you guys want me to do specifically? Cause I mean, yeah, this game just fucking crashed on me. I'm not too happy about that. What address was the ammo at anyways? That was at 160. Spread, maybe? Let me check out the imports here. I'll do pretty much any game. I get asked to do, as long as I'm not gonna get banned on Twitch for doing it. Just an FYI. I see. What is ECX here? Basic human. Okay, cool. Base NPC. This probably would have been helpful if I saw this before. Fuck. Oh, shit, man. That equals this pointer. Pick distance. Oh, cool. There's a lot of shit here, actually. Well, let me VS_fire. Oh, wait, I can just... God damn it. Alright, well, I'll open up the game again. And see if I can find the stuff. No safe mode. Oh shit. Fuck. No, there's no fucking... Oh. Thank God, holy shit. I was not about to start over on that shit. Okay, cool. Let's reattach, and we're gonna go ahead and, whoops, there we go. We'll go and, breakpoint this function here, breakpoint like that. That should be fine. Nope. We just want to find a function that gets called pretty much every frame. So that's why I'm following these functions, which have string references like this. Yeah, here we go. Okay, cool. So we got one breakpoint right here, and we're gonna want the ECX value here, I think. Yeah. Okay. Let's go ahead and open up reclass now. We're gonna attach back to Metro, paste in the ECX value. Except this looks kind of wrong. Let's open up. This is tough because no, ESP is gonna be fucked at this point. We're gonna need a different function, I think, because this moved into ECX, and actually ESI might still have the value that we want. So let's go ahead and open up ESI. ESI is going to be one. Is it ESI? Yeah, ESI. So let's go ahead and get ESI. So 127796344. Maybe. No, these are fucking massive ass strings. This isn't what we want. So we're gonna have to go with a different function here, because none of those are good. Spawn, no. On movement blocked. No, that's NPC shit. We don't want NPC shit. Although it might still be called for our player, it might be hard to actually tell if it is. So let's try and just hook a function like this, something really fucking basic. that doesn't get called either. So let's go back here. Yeah, we'll just breakpoint random shit. Well, yeah, that worked. Nice. So here we get our ECX value, which should be our player. So 163 B3 5380. Yeah, here's our player again. Now let's go back and scroll down here to where we're actually using this. So V3 is this, so let's check this out. So 1E4 and 1E8 should be stamina and health, so isn't that what we were looking before? 1E4, 1E8. 1E4, 1E8. So apparently this is health and stamina, so if we go ahead and set these to like, guessing 1 is the highest I'll go, set that to like 10. No. So we have, what's this, health, stamina, so the stamina current is, okay, interesting. Pick distance is going to be that one and that one. So what is V30? Nothing apparently. Well, let's increase this by 1. V13 is going to be V12, V11, V11 equals 10, 30. Okay, that goes down a very long fucking list. So let's go ahead and look at this again, and we see ESP, ECX, compare it to 2. So EX plus AOO. Let's go and check that out. This is a kind of big class, so we're gonna scroll down a little bit. Some more bytes, and here we have AAO right here. So jump if not 0, it will jump down there. So I'm gonna set this to 2 right here. Set that to 2 by pointer AAO. So that's all we want, just for it to be 2. And 552, scroll up a little bit. 552, 551, 0, 1, 2, so that's 2. Actually, no. Compare to. Okay. Add ESP, clean up the stack here. Yeah, nice too. Move. Okay. This has to be some sort of like gunner shit. Let me see. AAC, what is this? I think that was a floating point value, wasn't it? Let's see. AAC is what exactly? Yeah, AAC is a floating point value. I don't know what kind of comparisons they're doing on it, but I'll check once I get in game here. Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell, but they're constantly being modified anyways. Okay. Climb, landing, jump, idle. Let's see what actually is happening here. I think. Oh hell yeah! Thanks for the follow, Joe Fish. Appreciate it, man. I think we're now at what, 69 followers? Hell yeah. Kind of badass. So C60, I think that's a god mode shit actually, C60, because it's checking ore. So, wait, oh, wait, never mind. This is dead, looks like. So it's checking if, 0 is above health, 0 is above or equal to health. So we can add a comment right here. Dead. So C60, let's go and check that on reclass right here. C60, or it could be a number of things if we're like, AFK or something like that. And A2, I don't know what that is. V7 equals this times 360, so let's check that out. Right here. So 360, so if this was 360 times this, so we'll go and take this, go back to our standard calculator, that 0.378 times, what's our actual value here, 0.013, 3.013, and can I even do an and in here? Yeah, I can do an and. I can't. God damn it. I can't actually. I can do that though. So and 65535 135. So V8. So if times what the fuck? 3.1415927. Alright, I got a better idea. Let's just set this to like 1. See what happens. It probably just reset, didn't it? Kind of. I can't actually tell what the fuck it's doing. It seems to be some sort of like tick count, but at the same time it keeps resetting back to 0. V8. V4, isn't that this? Yeah, it is this, okay. C50, cool. Holy shit, my hands are so cold right now. So if, no, it's wanting this to be passed as a pointer, but obviously it's just not a pointer, so that doesn't actually work out too well. So wait, we had before we had health, right? So we checked health and it said before it was 1E8, I think, right? So 1E4, yeah. So all these are right. All of these are correct, and these offsets right here, yeah, they're correct. So is physics and 2 and 4 kinematics, force kinematics, recast, block breaking. There's all collision stuff here. We don't really care about that too much though, honestly. Shell, skeleton, shell written, or English. Source bone, destination bone, V94, V108, okay. Holy cow, 9 viewers, that's a shit ton. Okay, we don't, I want to find the other FP32s. So, health critical, 32, health restore pending medkit, K9 Freddy. I want to look for ammo, see if we can, or weapon. Because most likely we can find a actual damage type thing. Because we already did kind of find damage, but I'm not entirely sure which number that is. It's one of the values that we modified just before, and you click on an enemy and they're gone. They vanish. Let's see. If I mess with some other you can. Okay. All these preconditioned ones they don't have any string reference. That could be due to the dumper. But it's hard to tell since we don't have the original executable unless we start fixing it up in IDA, which isn't exactly basic stuff, and I don't exactly want to cover it. This is all just reviewing like really easy things to do you can do with string manipulations, and just looking through the actual application to find a way to modify, which is extremely useful once you start finding things. So like How do I view my inventory? It's like I'll view medkit here, and you will see medkit slot, medkit idle, show subtitles. What is this? Yeah, okay. We have a lot of symbols in this game though, which is also really helpful at times. So let's search for this. Medkit, weapon light, weapon aim, weapon next, weapon 1, aim assist. These are all settings it looks like. Yeah, these are all the game settings here. Which we don't care about too much though. We're not super interested in actually modifying settings. G action. No, I actually want to look at all the global variables here. Menu, F missing, environment not found, sound, film position. I don't know what. I think VS might stand for visual state. I'm not sure. It's NC player handed. Player's absent. Okay, this might be helpful. If, player's absent. This takes that. See if it takes any extra arguments. No. Okay, it takes no extra arguments. It takes. D is absent, so if for. I fucked it actually by doing that. Damn it. Let's see. D for V3 equals that. V4 is what? V3 plus 548. So let's go and open this up here. We can create a new class real quick just to browse through this. The alignment's the exact same, so it doesn't matter. We'll open this up and let's go to OX224 inside this V table, which is going to be like 70 something maybe. Oh, I was way off. Whoops. 224 is going to be here, 137, and it's a null byte actually. This plus 20, right? Whoops. And 20 is empty, so there's nothing there at all. So this just doesn't equal anything. Player's absent. A94 plus 196 or C4. And let's look at this. Level event. So C4 is okay. Player's absent to AC4, 4C. I don't think all these are null. I think it might just be the first few. Yeah, let me actually, we'll find out what this class is real quick if we just actually go to this address, open up the V table, and we start looking here. Yeah, this is all the physics stuff, it looks like. Yeah. So this is the physics class. We don't have much need for though. Entity player's knife, player's absent. This might be the same thing though as before. Yeah, it looks like it's doing the exact same thing. So yeah, C4. Yeah. This is all part of the same shit. Although, we'll check this out though, real quick. So if V5 can't find player on level to take item. V4. Isn't this where we just were? 184 plus 20. Yeah. It's basically saying that player doesn't actually exist, which I don't know about that. It definitely does not help us though, that's for sure. Yeah, all that's empty too. This is just empty memory space. There's a lot of shit here too. 20 is empty for sure. Failed to make immortal. Environment is not found. That's really annoying. Okay. Couldn't find player. G god, G global god, G kill everyone, G unlimited ammo. Fuck it, dude. We've looked into this before, I thought. This is like, is cheats enabled or something? So if this and 10, so let's just open this up real quick. We'll go here, spaces in here, and we see this. So let's check right now. If we go to our programmer calculator, we put in 7FFF, and 10, we get 10. But we want it to basically not equal 10. So if we set it like 0 and 10, what does that give us? 0. So I think if we just set this to 0, maybe that'll make cheats equal or equals OX10U. Oh, I think this is like actually initializing it, right? Okay, I see. Void offset like that. G unlimited ammo. Sub that. V1 equals that. I see, okay. So on and off, so this is like some sort of string shit here. Okay. Colons void A2. Okay, I see what's going on. Hello? Hold on 1 second. Move AL into AL ECX plus 8. So whatever value this is, or wherever it's contained, let's see, show crosshair. It's probably gonna be the easiest one to find, honestly. It's pressing the same one. That's that. ECX plus 8. It's gonna be that. It's kind of hard to tell which one we're actually doing here. Do we have HUD showing already? Yeah, we have crosshair showing right now. So this might be the easiest one to do here. So we'll go here. All these values should be, yeah, they're already set here. So G auto pickup. Okay, so if we set this to 0, will it still show? Yeah, still showing. Go to 0, still showing. Yeah, none of those actually changed anything. SMG slot. That equals 64, and if I set this to 0, what does that do? Yeah, it doesn't think actually does anything. Setting those up like that, and that's right after that. So 98 should equal a. What does this actually do though? What the fuck? I'm just gonna null this real quick, see what happens. If that's set to null. Nothing happens. Awesome. Well, game crashed actually when we did that. So, G auto pickup, offset. Okay. G global god. These are different functions right here. They're only slightly different now. Let's see, 050, offset 7F18. Nope. They're not the same here. But yeah, I'm guessing they still pass as the same here. But it's not actually setting anything to this pointer though, which is what I'm kind of worried about. Yeah, D-word is 066C, that's the same. A47EB8. Because, yeah, again, there's no real ECX value. So that's why it's being really hard to determine where it's storing these values, actually. Because, realistically, we figure out how these are called, and it becomes a lot easier. Alright, real question is, what is 9 plus 10? Alright, this is a question. Did the game just crash before it even got in? There's fucking 19 we on about, dude. I think the game just fucking crashed. What the fuck? I didn't even get into the game. Hello? Okay. Hold on, it's gonna look fucked on stream for a minute. There's no way I corrupted the game by modifying shit in memory, right? That'd be a new one for me if it did. Okay, let me... Sun's already down. Oh shit. Alright, let me fix the resolution real quick. Anyways, yeah, welcome to the stream. If you're new. Okay, here we go. Holy shit, Slaggy. What the fuck? Okay, I think we're fine now. Yeah, okay. So offset here, let's go ahead and what do I want to do? What is this? V1 equals that. I want to copy this here. Whoops. Because I feel like this is the actual function that's accessing it and figuring out if it's on or not. You can tell pretty obviously just because it's moving a variable into the AX value, or AL in this case, since it's just a boolean. No, that's not doing anything. This should be all the boolean shit here. Are you just mapping out the function, or are you trying to do slash looking for something in particular? I'm just having a look around the game, seeing what you can do and cannot do, realistically. So right now I did in reverse like the weapon class just before earlier, and I figured out how to like do shit, change like the number of projectiles it spawns, change the spread of it. So if you spawn like 20 fucking projectiles at once, it just annihilates anything you shoot, which pretty useful, I guess. Let's see. All these are the same except for these here. I feel like you are going to be passing something in here, but then what it's going to do with that value is what I'm curious about. So if I type, for example, if I go in here, is there a console? There is a console somewhere, I know. Let me find this. No, it's in the user CFG folder, is where the actual, that's where the actual, config files are. But we're looking for something that takes a string and finds the actual value in here. Because, like, if we look here, like, G unlimited ammo, G auto pickup, you would think, right? You would think it'd be just one of these, right? So what I'm going to do is go here, go into this value right here and go through this memory space here, because this looks like the actual like flags kind of for it. So that's what I'm a little curious about. Gee, auto pickup. Wait, these are pretty close, aren't they? 7F. Oh, never mind. I thought this was pretty close. Wait, 7E. Oh, yeah, this is behind it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this is like the bit value for it. And then there's pretty much nothing until you reach way down there. I mean, gee, auto pickup, set this like 1. Set that to 1, set that to 1. Set that to 1, set that to 1, set that to 1. Who knows, it might do something. It didn't. Fuck. Cause maybe OR flags too. I'm not sure. Actually, we might want to set all these to 1 actually. That might change something. I can't be for sure though. On a lot of these, it's really a guessing game. Unless you actually go through and reverse all of it, of course. That's the same. This isn't the same though. This is just the actual string values. All these tables are the same though. That table's the same. Like, let's actually go into one of these tables and see what it looks like inside. I think this has to be the same thing we were looking at just before, right? So one of these functions is just going to be moving EX plus 8. Yeah. So 14 plus 8, so 0, 4, 8. Yeah, it's just that. So if that equals 1, then theoretically it should be true, right? That's what the thought is, at least, right? But no, that's not what it does. So what might be better to do is look for our ammo, and then before it subtracts any ammo, actually check to see if it checks for unlimited ammo or something like that, you know? So 6, 5, 4, fuck. 4. And then we have 3. And I think it's going to be this one at the bottom here. And we can check right here, just go see what writes to it. Yeah, so it adds negative. I remember doing this before. On stream, I remember doing this shit before. And getting so upset because they did add -1. Who does that? That's so dumb. Okay, anyways, let's go here, adds -1 to it. Although that could just be our decompiler assuming that it's adding -1, whereas really it's just a decrement command. Okay, well, let's go ahead and go into whatever EDI is here, which should be our weapon class, I'm pretty sure. Okay, well, let's go open up a new one. So EDI, and we have, what is it, 4FC? Yeah, so 4FC is going to be right down here. Come on. Alright, 4FC right here. This is supposedly our ammo value. It's not actually doing a certain check though for it. So we have a couple options here. What we can do instead is, instead of we can either set the ammo, or what we can do is overwrite this add command, change it to decrement too, or we can just change this 0 or -01 into +01. It doesn't matter too much what we do here. That's changing a single byte. So let's see, what does that change? If you look on the left side there, right here, you see it goes from 0, 1 to FF. FF, of course, being -1. So we can instead set to 1, so instead of decreasing our ammo every time we shoot, it now adds it instead by 1. Yeah, well, the compiler is quite useful. Sometimes it can quickly when misinterpreting instructions or function signatures. Yeah, that's true. But it definitely is a add instruction. The decompiler won't mess that up. It knows it's an add instruction based on its opcode right here, 88.3. And I will say the same here if I actually enable the opcodes here. We see, yeah, 8.3. That's definitely for adding. Which one's fucking add, isn't it? Yeah. Actually, no, add is 04, right? I think. Is it? I fucking forget which opcode is add. It has to be 8.3. Yeah, 8.3. Okay. So EDI plus 4FC. So now every time we shoot, since we change this to 1, it'll instead increment by 1, like that, yeah. But I want to look more into this function here, because it's got to be checking something. There's a flag, there's a global flag saying, do we have unlimited ammo? So we would find out where it's actually accessing that and finding out which maybe, since there's no sort of conditional statement right here, and there's no return before, we can safely assume that it's outside of this function. Okay. So let's go v6 plus 1336. Just calling these functions here, passing 1 to it. So let's check out our actual vtable here. And check out what address was that? 48. So that's gonna be quite a ways down.
All girls all over the world. Pop a job on your case, man. With the original styling. To all the
48 is right. 48, yeah, 48. Let's see. ECX EDI into calling 538. Okay, it calls 538, which is just down here. And then it moves ECX. Wait, isn't ECX still the same? Yeah. Yeah. ECX isn't modified, so. And then just returns. So what's the point of all this? So land EX 508. That is really. Oh yeah, look at this. Look. So now we go into 508. And we see right here, G underscore infinite ammo, right here. So, somewhere here, it's actually checking it. Let's go back here, though. I want to view this, was it 538? Yeah, 538, so 538, so I want to go here, actually, and check out what this does. So, 538, so it moves on to EAX. So move that into EAX after it calls it, and EAX plus 10 is going to move. EAX plus 10 is what? So 508 gave us 508. EAX plus 10 is going to be this underscore G dot. What the fuck does that say? I can't read it. Config dot entity dot ammo. MOO underscore. Okay. So this is giving us the name of it here. Although it's using XMMO, which is kind of weird. So XMMO, XM. This is calling this function here, which is what exactly? It takes. Looks like it's taking a string, which is kind of strange. A1 should still be ECX, I think, right? Or it's EDI apparently. So, and EDI isn't modified. It's EDI is just ECX. So 813. So 32C and 3AO is what? 32C, 3AO. That's okay. So that, oh, I see. So it's dereferencing it. So this is an array right here. That's what it's trying to do. Let's actually reset the pointer type here. So yeah, there we go. So those like could be weapon info right there, and then 3AO is nothing. So if core 7, this might be weapon type as well. current weapon type. So let's go and set this to just 3. Just see what happens, right? And doesn't check it anywhere else, so we're fine there. V3 times A3. Does that change anything just by setting that? I don't think that specifically changed anything. Is it 3.0? Yeah, it was set to 3.0. Oh, I see what it does. Okay. So these are the actual animation states, I think. Look, so we go like this. This checks if it was aimed in. So let me just double check. So yeah, 3 is aimed in. These are like the current weapon state right here. So that's 2 weapon aim state. I don't know what 7 is though. I never saw that. So we're gonna set this to 7 here. We're gonna go in game and see what it changes. It's like zooming out kind of. Same as before. So let's check if it's zoomed in or not. And I'm gonna go ahead and go on a limb here and say that 32C is going to be our weapon info, which is gonna contain our spread and stuff. Or accuracy, one or the other. We're gonna go ahead and just set all these to like 100 just because. Just because we want to see what happens. Fuck. We'll leave those as they are, sure. Okay, so now our crosshair's gone. Something we did fucked up. So I'm gonna set those to 0 real quick. Go back. We do no damage now. Shit. Yeah, I fucked something up here. Whoops. I'm gonna go and set these 3 back to 0, 0. Yeah, so our gun does no fucking damage now. God damn it. Fuck. Okay. Shit. Okay. Did our fucking pointer reset though? Actually it might be the same still, which would be very good. Actually, I'll double check real quick. Just by verifying the anim state, see if it changes. Yeah, it did change. God damn it. Well, we already have a way to get it, but we just breakpoint this here. Go in game, we fire, and there it is. So we'll go ahead and tab into, where is it? G engine right here. There we go. So we'll just copy EDI again and go back to our pointer, which only changed slightly. So EDI is going to be 1 on E5B 700. Let me actually just go back to, because this function, which function called it? It was 48B, yeah. Or 48, right? Okay, so 48 calls this function here and then moves XMMO. So what does this return? It returns result, which is maybe a floating pointer. XMMO is the word ESI plus 331. Hello? What is what the hell is ESI? EAX, that does not help at all. ESP plus 08. Return 4, jump equals, and be. Shit. That's the same function, yeah? Yeah, it is the same function. So it calls EAX, ECX, holy shit, what is happening here? Plus 100. Right, okay, I'm still gonna go and I still think this is where we're gonna find most of our information regarding our current weapon. So I'm gonna go and set all these back to about 1 or not, maybe? Come on, baby. Usually going out on a limb doesn't give results, by the way. I really hope the game didn't just crash. Okay, no it didn't. I forgot to remove the breakpoint. There we go. Which fucking number was it then, I wonder? Was it this one, maybe? Yeah, I actually don't know which one I fucking modified that fucked this entire thing. Yeah, I got no fucking idea at all. Whoops. No, these are defaults, I think. The issue is our crosshair still gone. Okay, so the spread is just fucking going everywhere. Holy shit. Yeah, I see the issue, I think. Fuck. I think it's one of these values here, so I'm gonna set these all to 0.1. That's gonna be part of the issue, I think, because our spread, like our health, is from 0 to 1. So 1 being maximum health or maximum spread. So we right now have maximum spread, which I'm thinking is issue. Yeah, here we go. There we go. So which fucking value is it though? We're gonna start at the bottom here and change to like these three to 1. Go up here. Okay, so it's not one of these here. We'll start with next 3. No, not any of those. We're gonna go up here, so let's do 1, 1, and 1. Still not one of those. Let's check down here, so 1, 1, 1. There it is. Okay, so it's one of these. So let's go ahead and set this to 0.1. And there it is. So here's our spread value. So we set this to 0.01. There's still some spread. So 0.01. We'll set this to 0.01. This might be an XYZ thing too. So we'll set like all 4 of these to 0.01 just to be safe. But it still looks like there's one value which is off a little bit. I think I do damage now though, which is kind of useful. Except our moving spread is still fucking massive, which does not help us in any bit. Okay, I think we do damage. Yeah, so our moving spread is still huge. So I'm just gonna set all these to 0. Not specifically 0, but close to it. Yeah, look, there we go. There's our fucking spread. So I guess I still don't do any fucking damage. Fuck, dude. Alright, one of these is damage. On God, man. And it's not that one. Still, fuck. Set that to 100 too. Okay, there it is. There's our fucking damage. Yeah, okay. This is damage right here. These are God knows fucking what. Shit. We have our moving spread here somewhere still too. Yeah, I give a shit about that. Shit, man. Okay, well, we know where ammo is. That's pretty helpful, I guess, yeah. We know where ammo is, found the damage, found the spread. Pretty much all the weapon info is in there, so reversing the rest of that is pretty much just a matter of testing in game and clicking, shooting, shit like that, you know. I thought there was a firing range in one of these games, but that might be in Last Light. I can't actually remember though. There you go. Wait. We might be able to just use this training range. Okay, can we shoot please? Oh right, okay.
Universal charger to keep the battery powered. And a gas mask. Put it on if you crossed any rig. Army issue first aid kits, just in case.
Okay, should be able to use this training range here, I think.
Okay, you're supplied, my friend. Feel free to try out your
I keep fucking. Here we go. Okay. So our thing should still be here. How we fire, or we change between military grade rounds though. Am I firing military grade rounds right now? Yeah, those were military grade. We don't want to fire those. All right. So our game crashed. I don't know what we modified. The only thing that was changed was the assembly instruction. Otherwise, all the other memory gets cleared pretty much instantly. New objects created due to level swap, level change, stuff like that. I'm guessing fucking with that instruction probably did something. Hold on, I want to change the music. I don't like that shit. Again, if there's anything you guys want me to do specifically in this game, I'll do it. Let's see. Yeah, I'll put this. Okay, cool. Okay. Where did I even find this? I think I was looking at, yeah, I was looking at the ammo before. Which... This is accessed right here. And this is accessed here. Yeah, pretty much same spot. Okay, cool. G, no target, yeah. R, had no weapon. Refly, D, here. Bishop 2033. See, these are all the console commands, but it looks like a lot of I'm looking at a cheat form right now regarding you know, IGN.com PC cheats, and it shows, you know, G unlimited ammo, but none of them show these other commands. Yeah, none of them show like refly, anything like that, which makes me believe I don't know how these cheat sites get the actual cheat codes in the first place. I don't know, makes you wonder, right? That might just be me though. I mean, if you're around the same age I am, you probably had, you know, your fucking cheat code card whenever you're playing like PlayStation 2 or something, you know, putting in the fucking cheat codes on like Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, Star Wars Battlefront 2, right? Let me see, free damage monitor, the info. Last damage. Oops, do not want that. Caption, strings. Alright, cool. 40.32. Alright. Fuck. I don't think the music's too loud, is it? Maybe it's just me. I don't know. Speed, recoil. Oh no, yeah, let me look for recoil or fire rate at least. Weapon fire dependencies, weapon fire, calc fire matrix, shell matrix. Ah, nice. A1. Holy cow, that's a lot of fucking math right there. This is most likely for a recoiler spread though, like I mentioned before. So, probably a good idea to breakpoint this function and see what's passed as ECX. Anyways, I think I'll whoops, don't want that. I'll probably make a I'll probably actually save the VOD for this. Alright. Alright, cool. Let's go and retouch the engine and we'll go and breakpoint that function. We can go and close these here. Don't need that. Go here. Breakpoint this. This should breakpoint as soon as we fire, I'm guessing. Yeah, here we go. Okay, I'll copy ECX here. There we go. We're going to reattach reclass again. New class. The project's really messed right now. That's really just because I didn't want to. I don't plan on saving any of this really. So what is 330? Okay, passing 330, which has A1, so this plus 4 is going to be right here. And byte, this plus 18, so this plus 12, so 12 is going to be like here. Okay. Okay. It doesn't look very necessary. Alright, A1 plus 256, so 100. Doesn't equal 0 and V1 and offset A1. I don't know if it actually gets down here. I don't think it actually does, but we'll see. So A1 plus BO, and then wait, what? Oh, I see, okay. So BO and B8, so BO. And then we're going to offset 10 in here, which is going to be fourth, whoops. And then we're moving ECX plus 90. This is going to be our ECX value here, and we're passing this. So that's what V4 is, so interesting. Whoops, don't want that. I don't think V4 is not used anywhere else, so if word 328 is A1, which is going to be our header. Let's just make this -1. Well, we go. 328, -1. Holy cow, dude. 420, 430, 40. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this is just all the fucking firing math, I think. All the recoil data, it looks like. Yeah, that's what it seems like at least. So if I go through and I see, okay, so these look like actual ratios, so 70, 80, 90, and A0. So let's see. $70, $80, all the way to A0, that matches up, yeah. So all of these look like our actual multipliers, so I'm going to... So all these to 0, since these look like our actual vector maths here. Such as like recoil spread and stuff, so let's see. It's changed anyways, fuck. Yes. We might have to actually, fuck, I don't really want to go through all these. Do I? If I set this to like 0 and freeze it, will it actually hold? No, it doesn't. So we have to find actually what writes these values. So let's go here. And we see right here what writes to it. Yeah, okay. Alright, nice. And where's this one access? It's gotta be access like same place, right? Or yeah, they might all just be the same here, or at least the first one in every vector might be the same. These are all vectors, if you can tell, by the way. Yeah, looks like that one stayed the same. Now this one though. Find out what writes to it. Go here, start show dissembler. And we'll go and do the same for all sequential instructions, like that. And now we should be able to set all this to 0. So all these values stay the same now. I don't actually know what we want though. So like, I can set every third to 100, which should be the X value of all these. Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell, isn't it? What the fuck's going on? I mean, it should be multiplying all these by 0 now, basically, though. So make A1 7494. Oh shit.
Hey, bitch, I'm dead fresh. I might pull up in a casket. You be looking sweet like a fucking fruit basket. Spit a couple raps, I get a check of Johnny Cash. It I smash it, I let your mama rob my sunglasses.
Think nobody gonna fuck with me like I do. You can be killing the motherfuckers always talking, but damn it, I'm high too. That means I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, I wanna stunt. I make your salary thrice in a month. I pay your daddy to roll up my blunts and he blow your allowance to pay for my lunch. You ain't with the shits. 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 Ramirez with your bitch.
Right in the back of the truck with the pump with the mask covering my face. Double the Glock as I rip through the flesh. Inside of the cutty, one thing on my waist. Kicking the dope, pump me to the side. Fucking the buses out with the face. He's sick missiles, I load up and hit you. I can't read the cop.
Oh, I should look at that actually. Yeah, how it replenishes the ammo. Okay, let me go ahead and scan this value.
Hey mom, look, the boys are back in town. Little bitch, fuck that. They been trying to kill me cause my buck's fat. My new bitch so thick that I got lost up in the butt crack.
I'm ready to get my gloves back. Hop back in the ring and I run that. Ready to move their love back. I'm about to be getting
So now that we've reloaded, let's see. What was ESI? ESI is 1E and 1E is what, 30. So how does it get ESI? Let's see here. Open this up in IDA. Plus equals V14, V14 equals V22, V22 equals V21 plus this. Alright, what is V21? V20 equals V2, and V2 should be A1, right? V2 equals this. I'm pretty certain I'm already in this pointer, so V12 equals. So 40O, let's see. There ain't shit there. Well, let me go through here again. And ESI is going to be EAX, so... Oh, I see, okay. So... where's this? Okay, so this reference from up here, so... And then, yeah, ESI, so... Find out where ESI is, so EAX is going to be... Yeah, so EAX is that, EBP is the current weapon actually, and EAX add that to EAX, so EO it looks like, so EP and then EO, looks like our actual values in here, so EO and then compare EO to EBX. So 60C looks like. There's a lot of shit in here. 60C right here. So subtract that from it. Okay. Do you reference it maybe? What does that go to? No, it stays the same. Alright, that faces. So I followed something wrong here. Whoops. It's fine though. What is this though? That is not in the same address space. Yeah, that's just 0, so move 0 into the clip again, I'm guessing. It doesn't do much down here.
All I see is scrubs, face me
Ugh.
on a cover dress.
What else is access though? So ESI is current that, so EAX, then access is EAX. So dereferences EX twice, which would be ESI plus 100. Okay, I see that. So this dereference twice. Dereference twice. Minus CO. Doesn't make much sense, but it does it anyways. Okay. Let me, so this was called, which is what exactly? This is the function we were just looking at, I think, right? No. Let's go back. I want to go all the way back to wherever it is that we're actually adding our values. That's what I want to look at here. This will work. Okay. This should run every frame, I'm thinking. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I want to actually go through our return address list here. So we need to find what is passed to ECX here. So this calls, what does this call? This function here. That calls that, which does some sort of compare in here somewhere. Yeah, something like that. ECX, that's ECX. Don't really care about that. Go further up here. Call EDX, which is what we're looking for. So EDX is EAX. How are we getting EAX though? ESI again. Called from that. So. Call it with, what are we passing to it though? Okay. Yeah, this is pretty fucked though. Alright, shit. We were just somewhere as well. Where was it? Where we had all those fucking was it this? No. Where was it? This is this is the same class right here that we're in right now. Right? Yeah, this is the same class, I think, yeah? It's like 4 or something. 4 FC, let me see. Yeah, this is the same class, okay.
Jealousy make a man go crazy. Money make a motherfucker hate me. 1,000 bitches, they all wanna date me.
Okay, I fucked up something with the spread null. There we go, set those to 0. What is that? We'll find the good shit down here, it looks like. So I set those to 0, so that's 0, so that's 0. I'm just gonna let it cool for a second, because we are fucking up our test, dude. Fuck. What are these for though, I wonder? If I set all these to 0, what happens? We'll set this to 100 just for shits and giggles. Go ahead and reload too. Might be number of projectiles or something. I'm not entirely sure. Okay, shit. Okay. I'm actually gonna end the stream here. I have to go do some shit. I'll probably stream in like another month or something. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I might stream in like a year or so. Who fucking knows? I'm gonna save this VOD. Probably up to my YouTube channel. You can find in the bottom. I think I have my YouTube channel linked. Yeah. Oh well. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.